Hey guys, let's see how to view a Tapo C210 on a VLC Media Player. It doesn't matter if you're running a Windows computer or a Mac, just like I have here. I have a MacBook. I can just load the VLC player and see my camera. As long as you have your camera already working here on the Tapo app, you're good to go, okay? If you don't have it, just watch the video here where I show how to set up the Tapo C210 on the Tapo app and you're good to go. And here you just need to prepare your camera first. You come here to the settings and then here you just go down and look for advanced settings. And you see here that you have the camera account. You're going to create an account here. It's a local account. It's not related to your Tapo account that you're logging into the cloud. It's a different account, all right? Just come here and create this account and it's going to use the RTSP protocol, okay? You just hit here, create now, read everything here about the RTSP protocol. That's the real-time stream protocol that the camera is going to use to stream the video to the VLC Media Player. And then I just hit here on this understand and agree, and I create a username and a password. Here you see that you need at least 6 characters, and then I just type here Tapo admin. You can create any user that you want. I've just created one here as an example. And then the password, like let's just use this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Just to make it easier here for our example. Just to confirm and create. Okay. Then I just need to come back. And here on the network settings, I just come here on the top and enable static IP. Then I have this IP address. This one was given by the router, okay? So I just hit here static to keep this IP so I can use on the VLC player. And then here on the VLC player, just need to open it up. You can just download from the internet if you don't have VLC player. And here just come to File and Open Network Stream. And here just going to enter this URL, which is RTSP // then the IP address of the camera /string1, okay? And just make sure as well that you have your Wi-Fi connected to the same one that you are using on your cell phone. You see here that I have my Wi-Fi -24, and here on the cell phone I have the same one, okay? Just confirm here. Now I have a different one here. Let me just change. So I'm gonna change here on the computer, okay? So I come here to the max -24 and I change it here. Then I'm good to go. I just hit here open and enter the username and password that I created before. So that'll be Tapo admin and the password 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I hit OK. Wait for it to load. And there we go. It's working, okay? Including the audio, as I'm just muting here because there's a audio loop, right? But it's working pretty fine. And remember that's the VLC stream. It's just a real-time stream. There's no control. There's no communication back to the camera. So you cannot control a PTZ, for example. It works only for streaming, right? I know that the Tapo C210 has a PT control, but it's not gonna work here because this is just video streaming, right? So I hope that helps. Basically, that's the way you can have your Tapo C210 streaming to your computer using the VLC software and the RTSP protocol. I hope that helps. Leave your comments here, subscribe to this channel, give your thumbs up, and I see you in the next video.